Not being able to get distracted is a superpower because it allows you to channel your energy and your attention towards your goals and the things that truly matters to you. With constant exposure to emails, phone notifications and WhatsApp messages, the ability to stay focused has become a rare and valuable skill. Focus is crucial for success in every aspect of life, whether you're building a relationship, working on your project, or just working on yourself. The quality of your attention determines the quality of your life. Sustained attention ensures that you're not busy but you're productive. It helps you to avoid mistakes and create high quality work. Over time, this focus compounds into significant achievements which others around you might find difficult to achieve because they were too scattered. Focus is a key in mastering any skill, in achieving any goal, and living a life of purpose. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 mistakes that are silently destroying your focus and some common pitfalls that are holding you back and how to overcome them. Number one mistake is you have no clear priorities. Not having clear priorities is like setting off a journey without a map. Without having clear priorities, your day might spiral into a chaos. Imagine a day starting with no plan. You might bounce between the tasks, simply doing whatever seems to be urgent or important at that particular moment. This approach often leads to important tasks to be neglected, and by the end of the day, you might feel like you were busy all the day but haven't made any real progress. Every time you switch your task or decide what to do next, you are using your mental energy, and this is known as decision fatigue, which can significantly reduce your focus. When your priorities are not clear, you are forced to make decisions throughout the day, which reduces your ability to concentrate on tasks that really matters. When your priorities are not clear, it is easy to miss deadlines or push the important tasks to last minute, and this creates anxiety and stress. The solution to this is to identify the top 3 priorities of the day and to focus on them first. Use calendars and to-do lists to structure your day and to prioritize your tasks effectively. Allocate time blocks to fully concentrate on the important tasks, and during these time blocks you can eliminate distractions and focus truly on the task that is there in your hand. Use the Eisenhower matrix. This is a simple tool that helps you to categorize your tasks on the basis of its urgency and importance. Using this tool, tasks can be divided into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither important nor urgent. This helps you to quickly identify what needs your attention first. At the end of the day, take few minutes to reflect upon what you have accomplished throughout the day and where you have been distracted. Adjust your priorities for the next day accordingly. This habit helps you to stay on track and to improve your focus with time. Number 2 mistake is multitasking. Many people believe that multitasking is a way to get more done in less time. But research shows that our brains are not wired to do multiple tasks simultaneously. Instead of doing several tasks well, multitasking leads to doing several tasks poorly. What we often call multitasking is actually a rapid task switching. Each time you switch tasks from one to another, our brain needs time to readjust. This constant shifting not only reduces our efficiency, but it also drains our mental energy. One of the major issues with multitasking is something known as attention residue. When you switch from one task to another, a portion of your attention remains on the previous task. This leftover attention can interfere with your ability to fully engage with the new task, leading to reduced cognitive performance and increased errors. A study done in University of California revealed that it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to regain your focus after a distraction. This is due to attention residue, where your mind is still partially preoccupied with the previous task even if you have moved on to the next one. The solution to this is, instead of doing multitasking, practice single tasking. Focus on one task at a time and fully give your attention to it before you move on to the next task. This allows you to work more efficiently and produce high quality results. Create a work environment that minimizes distractions. This could involve setting specific time to check your emails, turning off your phone notifications, and using apps that block distractions while you're working. Right now, I have few messages on my WhatsApp, but I did not intentionally check them because I knew if I had done so, I would have thoughts about those messages while I'm shooting, and it would have interfered with my work. I would check them once I'm done recording this video and given myself enough time to relax. Number three mistake that you might be making is constantly checking your phone. Our smartphones have become a central hub for every kind of digital interaction, be it news, entertainment, social media, and even more. With a single swipe, you get to catch up with the latest trends, breaking news, or scroll through endless feeds of social media content. This constant stream of information and stimulation makes it even more tempting to check your phone while you are supposed to be focusing on something else. Social media platforms are designed to capture and hold your attention. Companies behind these platforms have invested millions of dollars into algorithms and features that are engineered to keep you engaged. Infinite scrolling and personalized notifications are not just convenient features, but they are crafted to make it difficult for you to look away. The dopamine rush that you get from the new notification makes it even more difficult for you to resist the temptation of looking at your phone repeatedly. The solution to this could be activating do not disturb mode while you're working to block unnecessary notifications. Intentionally take breaks from your phone throughout the day. Use these breaks to reset your mind, to step away from your screen, and to engage in activities that do not involve usage of your phone. Consider using apps that track and limit your time on social media. I personally use this app called OneSec, which helps me to be very intentional while using other apps on my phone by asking me to take a deep breath and providing me with two options, whether not to open that app or to continue opening it. So this helps me to be very intentional with my consumption. Take digital detox on regular basis. A study published in Computers in Human Behavior revealed that participants who took digital breaks on regular basis were able to have better mood, decreased stress, and improved focus in compared to those who were constantly connected. Mistake number 4 could be not taking enough breaks. In the fast-paced world where hustle culture is often glorified, people believe that working non-stop is the key to productivity. The idea is that the more hours you put in, the more you'll accomplish. However, this could not be further from the truth. Continuous work without taking break leads to diminishing returns where your ability to focus decreases and also the quality of your work is not maintained. Our brain is like a muscle. It needs break. If you work for hours without taking break, it leads to mental fatigue. This fatigue can slow down your cognitive process, making it difficult for you to concentrate, think clearly, and solve problems. Over time, it can lead to burnout where performing simple tasks can be overwhelming. Even few minutes of mindful breathing can improve your mental clarity and reduce stress, making it easier for you to focus on the task when you return from your break. Sleep deprivation decreases productivity by making it harder to concentrate and to process information effectively. Tasks that would take short time become time consuming due to decreased cognitive function. Lack of sleep leads to higher likelihood of making mistakes, error in judgments, lower attention to details, which leads to poor quality of work and additional time spent in correcting those mistakes. A study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that individuals with sleep disorders found it difficult to concentrate and also had poor memory. The solution to this could be avoid using your phone an hour before going to sleep. The blue light that is emitted by the screen interferes with the body's production of melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates our sleep. Develop a bedtime routine. This will send signal to your body that it is time to wind down. So those were 5 mistakes that are ruining your focus. Which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.